So fucking pissed. I literally just sat here and explained for 17 minutes, bro. My fucking trading recap. Well, if this one is shorter than 15 minutes, then that's why. I usually want to make them like 10, 15 minutes. But I'm going to be going over my March 24th, 2025 trading recap. This will be also be my first trading recap that I take on my computer, and not probably. It is my second ever trading recap. My first trading recap was done on my phone. But I started the day off with this candle already open. I kind of woke up late. I woke up just before this movement. So I woke up right here. I woke up around here when market was moving up, and I was bearish for the day last night when I did my pre-market analysis. I was looking to sweep hourly highs. Hourly highs, okay. But we open already past these highs. My Where I wanted to sweep liquidity, we already opened there on the 5-minute time frame. So I knew we were gonna get another 5-minute liquidity sweep. And we got our second 5-minute liquidity sweep right here. But I seen that the 15-minute time frame was also in a continuation with the hourly time frame, so I knew that we were gonna sweep the highs at least one more time before coming down anyways. So I was looking for some calls off of these lows, off this 5-minute liquidity sweep. I didn't place them at these lows right here. I placed my buy order right there. My original buy order, yeah, that's not even on it. But my buy order was right there off of those lows, and my stop loss was originally right there. But right when I bought, dude, it dumped to here. So I moved it to there. I moved my stop loss to there right after I bought on the 1-minute time frame, and I bought after this 5-minute liquidity sweep on the 1-minute time frame. I was watching the 1-minute time frame looking for a 5-minute liquidity sweep because I seen us continuing down right here, break these lows right here, and then we got a little bit of consolidating here, and we had this this massive wick here, and usually when I see that, I usually know for a fact that the next candle should be coming with like a ton of volume to push it fucking like far down. But on the 1-minute time frame, I seen that after we broke these lows right here, originally these were supposed to just like continue down, and then you get like this little retracement, and then it just dumps harder. But we get a little liquidity sweep, dude. It's like not as big as I expected right there. That's why I didn't sell there the first time, and I thought we were gonna continue up past when we broke it here. But we just dumped past the stop loss again, so I thought we were just gonna dump hard. But after we dumped past these lows again, we didn't get the volume that I expected that to see. And then we got this massive wick right here. And I was watching both the Heiken Aishi and the regular candlesticks. And usually after you get like a liquidity sweep, you want to see a good fair value gap, a good fair value gap being created, and we created one there. But then we created this massive fucking thing right here. So I was like, maybe one more 1 minute liquidity sweep. And then I checked the 5 minute and I seen that this candle was supposed to just dump. Was supposed to just dump there. So I was watching volume right here. I seen this dump right here. And then this candle right here, it should have created like at least a little further just so that this bottom range could close out from here and have a wick underneath it. But on the regular candlesticks, I noticed that it didn't have any volume. Like every time it got here, it just got stuck. So that's where I bought, right at these lows, these 1 minute lows. And the next minute, we pumped up, dumped like that, close right here. Next minute, we dump like that. I thought I was gonna get cooked, but we went up like that, and then we closed right here. Next minute, we just pumped up, created this fair value gap right here. That's usually what I like to see, a good volume indicator that there's good buyers in the market after a liquidity sweep. Um, and then after we got that 5 minute internal liquidity sweep, because you got these lows right here that we swept for internal liquidity sweep on the hourly time frame, right? So that's an internal liquidity sweep. I bought off that internal liquidity sweep. After an internal liquidity sweep, I just reset my game plan. So we get our change of structure right here. It ends right here because um the change of structure ends right here because you see these dark candles. That just shows that the change of structure, the change in the direction of the market is ending. That's all that change of structure means. So you get the internal liquidity sweep, you get your change of structure because you break these highs right here. So you get the change of structure in the market, change of direction of the market on the 1 minute time frame. On the 5 minute, and then that creates our 1 minute break of structure right here, and that also creates our 5 minute change of structure, right? Because you get your internal liquidity sweep here, you get your 1 minute change of structure there, you get your 1 minute break of structure here, and you also create your 5 minute change of structure here because we created our different color candle right there. So that's how you know that they're both lined up so far. Market's moving how it's supposed to so far. So this is where things start to, like, I don't know, I guess get like harder for some people, but you'll get a quote unquote like continuation after you break these highs. And I knew that we weren't gonna continue any higher after. I knew we were gonna break these highs, maybe come down like this and then go up. But we didn't. We had a lot of sell off and a lot of sellers entering the market after you swept these highs. So it wasn't really bringing the market any higher. So we just kind of consolidated around to create a 15-minute change of structure. Hold on. Yeah, we kind of consolidated around just to create a 15-minute change of structure right here. But this is also isn't a really strong indication or a strong change of structure. You like to see some kind of candle body close out on a change of structure, but it's still a change of structure regardless. So we got that 15-minute change of structure here. And that first candle is just never your break of structure. So like you break, so like this is your 5-minute change structure, right? This would be your quote unquote 5-minute break of structure. This is like where a lot of people buy, and they'll get stopped out here because they have their lows. They have their lows right here. So they'll buy right here when you break out, right? They'll have their lows right here, get stopped out. Market moves up again, and then it creates the real 5-minute break of structure. I only know that because it happened to me so many times, dude. But we didn't get any fucking volume right there, bro. But it still created the break of, or change structure. And we had to create our 15-minute retest. So we went down to sweep more liquidity here on the 1-minute change of structure. And for the 15 minutes, I knew it was just gonna play the 15-minute time frame. Knew we were gonna break these highs for sure. And after we broke these highs right here, we got a good candle close right here because we broke this highs. Alright, you're saying we break out of these here. We didn't quite break these highs, which is good, which is I like to see. You want to see good volume push up, but not quite break the highs, come down, retest, gain some more buyers before like people can sell off, and then you break the highs. And then I seen us holding up here pretty strong, and then we broke higher a little bit more, came down, retested, slowly moved our way back up, and then I knew we were gonna fucking hit my TP after, and we got really close to my TP right here, and I was thinking about selling, but we didn't quite break the highs, and I knew we were gonna break the highs for sure, but I didn't know if it was gonna happen before market close or after, so I was thinking about selling, but I just held, and because it was like this, it looked like this, and I knew we were gonna come down and retest, like, cause I knew you couldn't just fucking continue straight up. You have to have one of these color candles before you break these highs to continue up. And once we break these highs right here, or started coming up right here to break these highs, I knew that my TP was gonna get hit pretty soon, and hit my TP right here, right after we broke these highs, and I sold. So I kind of got like a sniper entry exit today, but yeah, but my original bias was bearish, and you remember how we opened already at these hourly highs right here on the 5-minute time frame? Usually there's like another liquidity sweep after, and then there's a dump, and then like a fake break of structure right here, which we got right here. And um I don't know why, but there's just always 3 liquidity sweeps before like the real move that I've noticed. So you get your 5-minute liquidity sweep here, you get 1. You get your second liquidity sweep here, and that's 2. And then your third liquidity sweep here, and that's 3. Um, I was thinking that we were gonna come all the way up to here, up in I can't remember which time frame. 1 hour. I think it's a 5-minute order block. Yeah, it was a 5-minute order block. and then those highs. So my original plan was to buy the liquidity sweep when it came up here, and I thought we were gonna push up with more volume during the market, like pre-market or whatever, but we didn't quite really. There was a lot of selling once we broke these highs right here. That was originally where I was gonna sell, but I knew we were gonna break these highs, so that's where I just put my thing. But one second, dude, smoking. Yeah, I was gonna sell after we broke these highs, but I knew we were gonna break these ones, so I just sold that instead. And my original buys for the day was bearish. I only traded this because I knew that I was waiting for the 4 hour liquidity sweep right here. You see, this very first 4 hours of the day opened like that, and just only the fucking last 15 minutes of the day swept the liquidity. So I knew that like the very first 4 hours of the day, I wasn't really gonna be able to make any money or anything, so that's why I took these trades. Just until I could sweep liquidity above here, watch volume and everything, see how it reacts off these highs. Before I replace it, I thought we were gonna push up a little higher though. I thought we were gonna go like $2 more higher to this 5 minute order block, but after we broke these highs right here, right here. So after we broke those highs right there, I noticed how these like this candle right here should have fucking went crazy. Honestly, but we created this little wick right here. That's where I bought. And then after we fucking did that, after I bought, like literally after I bought, we closed up there. I thought I was cooked. Thought I was instantly cooked because my stop loss was this high. I put my stop loss at this high right here, the last high. And then we closed right here, dude. I thought I was fucking cooked, but we just dumped after. I was like, yes, let's go, dude. You guys already know how you get like a ton of volume in the fucking last minutes, dude. This is how the chart looked. Like two, 2 minutes after I bought, I would have got swept out. But this is how the 5 minute looks. And it's just too much. It just looks too indecisive right now. And you got one liquidity sweep here, two liquidity sweeps here, and this will be the third liquidity sweep here. And we might get another liquidity sweep like this, and then we run up to my order block, but I guess we'll just have to see, dude. Oh yeah, I also moved my stop loss up to here because even though I bought right here, got stopped out right here, I didn't sell. And after we closed right here and the market ended, we dumped down below here. So, but now it's 3 in the morning, 3:10, and we're right here. Got 5 hours till market open. This was a trade I took yesterday. And yeah, that's just my trading recap. This is my second time taking the video of my trading recap too. Fucking, I didn't have my microphone on, but right now I'm just showing you that I didn't just put this on my screen and act like I fucking took these trades. This is proof of like being in the middle of the trade while it's playing out. And this is my Instagram.